Hello, welcome to our channel, your gateway to the latest tech trends and innovative strategies. Today, we're delving into the extraordinary world of artificial intelligence and how you can turn it into your money-making machine. I'm your host, Jason, and this is 7 ways to make money with AI. Are you ready to unlock the secrets to AI-driven financial success? Well, artificial intelligence is no longer just a sci-fi concept, it's a powerful tool that can boost your income in ways that you've never imagined. And today we're going to take you on a journey through 7 incredible methods that you can utilize to make money with AI. Get ready to be amazed. Let's dive into the first section, AI-powered consulting. Do you have expertise in a particular field? Well, AI can supercharge your consultancy business. Imagine having a virtual assistant that can analyze vast data sets, track market trends, and offer data-driven recommendations to your clients. For example, McKinsey & Company uses AI to enhance their consulting services. They can quickly analyze market data and provide insights for their clients, making their advice even more valuable. AI-powered consulting is like having a supercharged co-pilot for your business decisions. Moving on to the second section, AI in content creation. Content is king in the digital age, and AI is your crown jewel. AI can generate blog posts, articles, and even creative pieces of content. Imagine reducing your content creation time while maintaining quality. For instance, the Washington Post uses AI to create articles for high school sports. This not only saves time, but allows journalists to focus on in-depth stories. AI in content creation is your productivity booster in the digital world. Now let's discuss the third section, AI-powered e-commerce. E-commerce is booming, and AI is your secret to success. AI can enhance product recommendations, personalize the shopping experience, and even predict customer preferences. Amazon's AI-driven recommendations engine is legendary. It keeps customers engaged and coming back for more. Yes, we do. AI-powered e-commerce is your ticket to skyrocketing sales. Let's move on to the fourth section, AI in financial services. The financial sector is all about data, and AI excels at it. AI can automate trading, analyze market sentiment, and even detect fraudulent activities in real time. For example, Goldman Sachs uses AI to automate trading and portfolio management, reducing human error and increasing efficiency. AI in financial services is your partner for wealth management. All right, the fifth section, AI in healthcare. AI can save lives and boost healthcare efficiency. AI can assist in diagnosing diseases, personalizing treatment plans, and even predicting outbreaks. Yes, IBM's Watson has revolutionized healthcare. It can analyze medical data to suggest personalized treatment options for patients. AI in healthcare is a win-win for patients and businesses. Right, on to the sixth section, AI-powered chatbots. Customer service is a breeze with AI-powered chatbots. They can provide instant support, answer common queries, and improve the overall customer experience. For example, Facebook, they use AI chatbots to assist users, providing immediate responses and most of the time solving issues. AI-powered chatbots are your 24/7 support team. Finally, the seventh section, AI in education. Now, AI is definitely reshaping education. It personalizes learning, it analyzes student performance, and even provides instant feedback. For example, Coursera uses AI to provide personalized course recommendations and grading assistance. AI in education is your tutor for the future. And there you have it, 7 remarkable ways to make money with AI. The future is here, and it's AI-powered. The opportunities are boundless. And with the right approach, you can harness the power of AI to boost your income in ways that you've never imagined.
Elevate your sales game with AI precision. Customize your AI agent, engage high-quality leads, and watch your sales soar. Don't miss out on the future of B2B sales. Take the first step. Try B2B Rocket today.